Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 4 best features in my opinion in Android 15 beta. The first one is partial screen recording. Now you can record just an app and not the entire screen. And to do it, first open the app you want to record. For example, let's say I want to record Settings app, and then slide down from the top of your screen, slide down again, and find Screen Record. Click on it to start, and now you can choose either a single app or entire screen. I'm gonna choose a single app, which is this new option, and press on Start Recording. Now you can choose an app you want to share the record, and now you are recording only the app you have chosen. When you go out of this app, it's still recorded, the app is still recorded, and you can do other things in the background and then go back and it's still recording only settings. The next thing I want to show you, I'm gonna show you that after stopping the recording. And this is a new camera app controls. So let's go to camera app and let me show you new controls. The most important thing that has changed is this switch. You can switch between photo and video mode. So now in all of these modes there is no photo and video. In some places it's less confusing because you can just change to video mode and all of the modes here are video, and you can go back to photo mode and all of these modes here are photo modes. You can also quickly switch between photo and video by just by tapping. So this is the camera change. And another thing I wanted to show you is the new volume panel. So let's change the volume and then click on the 3 dots. And you can see that the panel is new, looks different, and here you can also choose the source of the sound if you have connected another device. You can also click here to go to settings. Okay, and next thing is color contrast settings. This is the 4th and the last thing I want to present you. This is an accessibility feature. So let's go to settings and go to display and touch. And here you can go to color contrasts. You can set it to default, medium to increase the contrast, or high to increase the contrast even more, to make UI elements stand out more. Or you can also enable high contrast text, which is a new, better option for displaying high contrast text because it displays this black under white background and white under black. And this is all for today. These were the 4 most important features of Android 15 beta, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.